The day we've all been waiting for is finally here. AI-powered, smart glasses that can translate languages in real time, play music, make calls, and even shoot video all in a stylish frame for under $100. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but these gadgets are real, and I've grabbed several of the newest releases on Amazon to test them all. Some just dropped in the last few days, and my goal is simple. See which ones are worth your money and which are total disasters. And trust me, buying all of these with my own cash just to test them isn't cheap. So if you want more insane tech like this, hit that subscribe button now. Won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's start with the 4K. AI smart glasses. On paper, these are insane. They have a 4K camera, Bluetooth audio real-time translation in over 110 languages, a call function, sports tracking, music playback, transition, lenses, and even to built-in speakers. The battery promises long life, and the design looks surprisingly stylish. Compared to the Ray-Ban Metas, the feature list alone seems like a steal. Naturally, I had to try them out. Next up was a slightly cheaper pair at 108p, which promised AI photo recognition and translation, but after digging into the reviews, it was clear most were fake. AI-generated reviews everywhere. So, that pair got skipped. Then there was the $39 pair with ChatGPT integration, translation in over 150 languages, voice controls, and even navigation features. The battery claim of 9,000 milliamp hours was wild, probably not real, but still. For $39, I was intrigued. I also picked up 3 stylish Gadget models, ranging from aviators to rounded frames with transition lenses, all around $59 each. They came highly rated, promised live AI translation, and looked like they could actually compete with more expensive glasses. Finally, I grabbed $49 HD camera glasses for basic video recording. In total, my cart came to $184.97, a bargain, compared to testing full-priced Ray-Ban Metas. When the packages arrived, I had to admit the Gadget glasses I'd ordered a month ago were the real surprise. These are sleek, modern, and genuinely stylish. There's a large frame, a medium frame, classic sunglasses, and aviators, all with transition lenses that darken in sunlight. But style, isn't everything do these glasses actually perform? The answer: mostly yes. Unlike the Ray-Ban Metas, these automatically turn off when closed and power on when opened. No fiddling with buttons, no waiting for Bluetooth. The only exception, the aviators. No matter what I did, they stayed on until the battery died, which was frustrating, but the other 2 styles worked perfectly. AI features are where these glasses really shine. They offer real-time translation in 147 languages, plus an AI assistant that answers questions naturally, none of the robotic nonsense you get from Ray-Ban Metas. Through the app, you can switch between simultaneous conversation mode, meeting mode, and speaking mode. In practice, it feels like having a translator right in front of you, capable of converting your English into another language in real time, while showing the other person their texts and yours on the screen. The voice assistant even uses the same voice as Luna, my robot dog, which is a surprisingly comforting little quirk. The app also includes health features, connecting to Apple Health, to track steps, distance, calories, and daily activity goals. Meditation, audio, and voice reminders are built in, making these glasses feel more like a lifestyle gadget than just tech. Audio quality is decent for calls and music. Not as rich as the Ray-Ban Metas with their 4 speakers, but good enough for casual use. The biggest downside is that you need to open the app to start translations. There are no voice commands built in. The $49 camera glasses are a different story. They record horizontal 16:9 video, have unlimited recording time, and a small internal LED to indicate recording. They look sleek, store 32 gigabytes of data via micro SD, and are easy to operate. Video quality is decent for casual use, though stabilization isn't perfect. Photos capture a slightly wider field of view than the Ray-Ban Metas, making them great for quick snapshots or social media content. For $49, they're surprisingly capable. The $39 glasses impressed me the most visually. Thin arms, stylish, transparent front, and Navi-tinted lenses make them look premium. The app offers AI translation, AI call functionality, and a microphone button for instant voice commands. While the interaction feels robotic at times, it's fun and functional, and the packaging, believe it or not, smells incredible. I've never had a product smell this good. It's almost ridiculous for a $39 gadget. But hey, it adds to the experience. Then there's the $99 4K glasses, which promise the ultimate experience. 4K horizontal video, live AI translation, and a design mimicking Ray-Ban Metis. The build quality is solid, frames are thin, and the camera placement is unique: camera on the right, sensor on the left, opposite of Ray-Ban Metis. First impressions were great, but testing quickly revealed issues. Video quality was mediocre for 4K. Stabilization was lacking. Wind noise was noticeable, and the app was glitchy. AI features often defaulted to Chinese and couldn't be switched reliably. Notes, translation, and assistant functions all had bugs, making these glasses frustrating to use despite the sleek design. So, after testing everything, here's the verdict. For $59, the Gadget glasses are the real winners. Great style, smooth transition lenses, reliable AI assistant, robust translation features, and solid battery life make them a serious competitor. The $49 camera glasses are functional but basic. The $39 pair nails design and affordability, but lacks advanced camera functionality. The $99 4K glasses look amazing but fail in software performance. The takeaway: you don't need to spend $400 plus on Ray-Ban Metis to get smart glasses that actually work. With careful selection, you can get stylish frames, translation, AI assistance, and video recording for a fraction of the cost. Some cheap glasses over-deliver, while others fail to meet basic expectations. The key is knowing which ones deliver on their promise. Is exactly what I've done here. This has been one of the most fun videos I've filmed, watching cheap smart glasses compete with Ray-Ban Metis. Testing features, and seeing what works and what doesn't. It's wild. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, because I'll be testing more tech like this, buying the newest gadgets, and giving you my honest opinion. The future of wearable tech is here. It's accessible, and it's getting better every day. So, which glasses would you pick? Are you more about style, AI features, or camera quality? Let me know in the comments. I'll be back with more tests, more surprises, and probably more weird tech you won't believe exists. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.